Hi everybody, I'm Lindsay Duncan, and I'm the founder and the formulator here at All-In Nutritionals. I'd like to talk a little bit about our philosophy as a company. Our philosophy encompasses true integrity, from the soil used to grow our strong roots and plants to the robust and deeply relevant education that we strive to provide every single day. We are working to help you grow strong in your knowledge and in your health. This philosophy carries through to our unique, strong formulations and the extreme integrity in every single thing that we do. Let's talk about ancient ingredients. The best and the purest ingredients are grown and harvested in their natural state and in their natural region. Whenever possible, our ingredients are wild harvested and sourced directly from nature. We strive to avoid over-processing and always aim to use each ingredient in its most raw, harmonic, and bioactive form. We've traveled across the globe. I've traveled across the globe and visited some of the most remote, pristine villages and learned of their ancient medicines and wisdom and remedies. From the plains and jungles of Africa and its native Boro tutu tree to Uña de Gato found in the deep tropical jungles of South and Central America. We are truly bringing some of the world's most ancient and revered herbs and roots and trees and plants and fruits to your home, to your doorstep. We like to use the phrase globally sourced, and here's why. Our raw materials are globally sourced and of the highest quality and potency available. We're obsessed with quality. We avoid sourcing any products from any areas of high pollution or with any chance of outside contaminants. We test throughout our entire process, starting with the raw materials sourced to the finished product during packaging. We even test after packaging. I hope you can see, feel, taste the natural, chemical-free, and sustainably sourced quality of each and every one of All-In Nutritionals products. The last thing I'll talk about in regards to quality is the fact that most of our products take months and even years of research to source not only the raw materials, but also the process of quality manufacturing and packaging and, of course, formulating. We strive to use the cleanest, FDA-registered manufacturing facilities and practices available anywhere. We manufacture every single All-In Nutritionals products to the highest standards using our unique and impressive formulations without any chemical additives, without any binders, any excipients, any flow agents, or any unhealthy or unwanted ingredients. We are so committed to being a different kind of a company that at some point, somewhere along the way, you as our customer will say, this is a very different kind of company. And this is when we know that we have succeeded at doing our job. Our logo is pretty simple, yet profound. It represents that the strong and pure soil is what is absorbed by the roots of the tree. Now the tree and the plants then move this nutrition through the branches, which makes its way into our formulas. In general, the philosophy behind our logo is taking nutrition from the earth and cultivating it into strong, effective formulas.